who's gone for 50, folks, in 3 overs. Gutsy. Let's get low. So this will be fascinating, given now Mitchell. Miss hit, going to get away with it. Just a single. That's a good result for New York. A bowl should only be one. Is. Well, I know there's been those thoughts going around, Natalie Germanis. What happens? Beautiful change of pace. Clever, brave as well.
You need 5 from 2, so it's a different story.
But an Amin al-Haq here. Brilliant. We're going to run it through. Don't mind. So there's a bye. Season 3. Up, up. Catch it. Buff. Doesn't need to. On the bounce. They've done it. Celebrations for the old man, turning 41 next month, and there's a couple of other old men with some low fives and high fives.